and just keeps getting worse. Huh? The chapter has just started. Not the star I expected. I don't have pain today. In that case, you don't mind if I overtake you, eh? Peko, I was joking. The real race starts now. I don't want any more weird things to happen. Costa? My Maverick, Force of habit. I thought he was the fastest KTM. And using the same library doesn't help. Woohoo! Not bad, another Ducati winning this year. And what about if KTM wins this time? Yahoo! Wow! Wow! Oh, will you let me keep the podium? Oh, poor creature. If there's a chance to get more points, I will be there. Road to top 5. Hey Pedro, you said some things about my brother on TV, right? Hey, I just made a few jokes. I like being funny. Wanna know what is funny? Alex Neta. No! Nobody messes with my brother except me. This pain is horrible. No way, get out of here. And Martin is pushing him. Oh no, he crashed. Looks like he's really hurt. I think this time we shouldn't make jokes about it. You're right, we can only wish him a speedy recovery. But I don't know if I will make it with these tires. Hey, that's because you didn't read this book, Maverick. I wish I could get some help. Hey, help is coming. Wow, what the? This is a new way to overtake. Yeah, winner, not twins. So the choice is clear. Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo! No way! It's lights out in MiniBikers! Let's see who was best and who is the worst! Green light for Marc Marquez, he's winning everything! Yellow light for Viñales! He made an awesome race, but his penalty destroyed his result! And the red light and fail of the days goes to Marc Marquez. His start, crash and penalty cost him the whole race. That's all for today! Don't forget to leave a comment with your own lights out of the day! Hey, see you at the next Grand Prix! And this video wouldn't be possible without the support